Everyone's talking about ElevenLabs for AI voices, but if you have tried it, you already know the struggle. It's not truly free, you can't use more than one API, and if you're a free user, it often causes account issues or access problems. So don't worry because I found the perfect solution. Let me introduce you to Fish Audio, a powerful AI voice generator that not only gives you high quality voiceovers, but also allows you to clone your own voice, a feature that can take your content to the next level. So here is top 3 reasons to try Fish Audio. First, uncensored voice library. Get access to a wide range of AI voices, realistic, natural, and available in multiple languages. You can even clone your own voice for storytelling, YouTube, or any creative project. Second, 60 minutes free every month. Unlike other tools that limit you, Fish Audio gives you a full hour of voice generation completely free. Third, real-time API access. Need automation? Fish Audio's API lets you integrate voice generation directly into your tools or workflow. Let's get started. Now let me show you exactly how to use Fish Audio from sign up to voice cloning to generating your first high quality voiceover. Okay guys, here's how to start using Fish Audio. First, open your browser and search for Fish Audio. Click the official website and create your account. Sign up quickly using your Google account. It's very simple. Once you're inside, click on the 3 lines menu at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Discovery. Here you'll find a huge list of trending voices and uncensored voices, including popular styles like Mr. Beast, Donald Trump, and many more. Next, choose any voice you like. Click on Use under that voice to select it. This will open a new page where you can paste your script to generate your AI voice. And finally, to create your AI voiceover, just click Generate. You'll see this button at the bottom right. So here your voice is generated and you can listen to it right away.
Welcome to GrowLab Pro, your trusted channel for real strategies, smart tools, and powerful tutorials to grow fast on YouTube and social media. We break down the YouTube algorithm, reveal the best tools for creators, and show you how to create content that gets views, subscribers, and success, all without clickbait.
You'll also see a tags option on the screen. This tags option helps you make your AI voice sound more powerful, advanced, and professional. It lets you add emotions and feelings to your voice, like laughing, crying, excitement, interest, gratitude, and more. So simply click on tags, then select the emotions you want. For example, if you want to add excited, just choose that tag and excitement will be added to your voice automatically. So to add tags, first move your keyboard cursor to the place in your script where you want the emotion or effect to be added. After placing the cursor, just click Generate. Now you can listen to your AI voiceover with the tags applied, making it sound more natural and expressive. Now you can download your generated voice simply by clicking the download button. And that's it. How to clone your voice in Fish Audio Advanced Technique. To clone your voice, click on the 3 lines menu again, then select Voice Cloning. Here it will ask you to upload your image to help identify your voice. Just click the upload button and select your image. Next, write a name for your cloned voice. You can skip the description, it's optional. You can also add tags to your cloned voice if you want. After this, upload your own voice sample to clone it. Make sure your audio clip is at least 30 seconds long. Finally, click Create to generate your cloned voice. Step 1 is now completed for cloning your voice. There. Step 2. It will now ask you to add your audio sample. Here you can see your uploaded audio and you have 2 choices. You can skip it or you can save it. I recommend saving it. After that, your voice will be successfully cloned and you can use it anytime. But instead of using it directly here, do this. Click again on the 3 lines menu at the top right. Then click on Text to Speech. Here you will see 2 options, Instant Speech, Advanced Long Story. So you can choose Instant Speech for quick scripts and fast generation, or Long Story if you want to create longer content. After choosing, you can paste your script and click Generate to create your AI voiceover. Then you must click on Voice Model to select which voice you want to use. Here you'll see your recently used voices, an Explore section where you can pick a popular voice, and you can also search for a specific voice. For example, I want to search for Donald Trump. First, set the language to English. Then type Trump into the search bar and press search. You'll see several powerful Donald Trump voices appear here. If you want to use your own cloned voice, just go to My Voices, click Choose on your clone voice and test it. You can also edit your script easily. Adjust the speed and pitch to make your voice sound just right. After choosing, simply paste your script and click generate, and your AI voiceover will be ready in seconds. Now my cloned voice is generated and I want to make it sound even better. So I just add some tags to my voice. Grateful, proud, excited, interested. These tags make the voice sound more natural, expressive, and professional. And your AI voiceover will be ready in seconds. And yes, you can also see the advanced long story feature. But if I explain it fully in this video, it might get too long. So if you want me to teach how to create long stories using advanced long story inside Fish Audio, just write long story in the comments and I'll make a separate video just for that. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, like and turn on the bell, because here we explore the best new AI tools and also share how to automate your YouTube channel to grow faster and smarter. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.